guys.
Hey, Jim, look who came by to see us this morning.
It's
Carrie.
Hello.
Hi, Carrie.
Hi.
This is Carrie Stevenson from the Triple FM Advertising Department, and she will be on our show Thursday morning between 5 and 6 a.m.
Next time she shows up, bring breakfast.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that. What did you
Sorry,
do?
I don't
How you
know.
doing?
I'm good. Very good.
What's the number to call for all of your advertising needs?
3510601.
Say that again?
3510601.
Yes, for all your advertising needs, it's Carrie Turner Stevenson, one of our great advertising folks.
And don't forget George Strait tonight, right?
That's right, George Strait, Artist of the Decade concert. It was recorded in Vegas the night after the ACMs in April, so that'll be tonight.
You ever notice how this shirt makes my muscles look big?
Ooh, look at
That's
that.
pretty good.
That's hot. Tomorrow morning, Stafford and Frigo.
You're so crazy.